Look at Mason. Mason's so far out there. He's definitely in there. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Brave boys. Whoa. Whoop, Thomas kick pedaling. Woohoo! Thomas, can you let him do it so he can try his birthday present? Let him do a turn.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
I want to do it again.
Let Mason have a turn too. It's his kickboard. Ready? Mason, watch Thomas. See how to do it, okay? Whoa, that's fun, huh? Good job, T. Okay, Mason, you're gonna try? Okay, go ahead. Kickboard time.
I do not know what to say.
You put your tummy on it. Lay on it. There you go. Lay on it. Lay on it. It's tricky, huh? Lay on it and then kick. It's because it's cold, huh? Yay!